kids, I am Zoha from Pen Academy and today we will learn about shapes. Do you know what shapes are? No? That's okay. Just follow me. Okay, do you know what this is? It's a triangle. A triangle, a triangle, a triangle. Can you make a triangle? A triangle, a triangle. This is a triangle. Okay, now follow me again. Do you know what this is? It's a circle. A circle, a circle, a circle. Can you make a circle? A circle, a circle. This is a circle. Good job. Now, follow me again. What is this? It's a rectangle. A rectangle, a rectangle, a rectangle. Can you make a rectangle? A rectangle, a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Yay! Good job. Now let's move to the next shape. What is this? It's a heart. A heart, a heart, a heart. Can you make a heart? A heart, a heart. This is a heart. Yay! Now let's go on the next shape. What is this? It's a square. A square, a square, a square. Can you make a square? A square, a square. This is a square. Now let's look at the last shape. What is this? It's a diamond. A diamond, a diamond, a diamond. Can you make a diamond? A diamond, a diamond. This is a diamond. So kids, today we learned about shapes. Hope you had fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.